Good day, sir. I'm Germany Mog. Today I will discuss the topic all about ship stress and the measure of on board to contract the effect. The ship are constantly exposed to the different forces at the sea. These forces create stress on the ship's structure, especially the hull. Gender understanding this stress and how to contract then is essential for safe and ship operation. Number 1. Hugging stress. It occurs when the waves crest is ship, causing the ship bow and stern to sag downward. The deck experience tension while the keel is in compression. Example, countermeasure. Proper cargo loading and weight the distribution. 2. Strength longitudinal farming, equinete deck plaiting and keel reinforcement. Avoid excessive blast and ends. Sagging stress. It's a cause when the wave thrust is admiship, causing the blow and the stern to rest, while the middle sags. The deck is under permission and the keel is under tension. Countermeasure. Even cargo and blast distribution, strong keel structure, longitudinal blockheads for additional strength. Shear stress. It's result of unequal vertical forces along the ship's light causing adjacent to section to slide relative to each other. Ang kuan niya install the transverse blockheads, strong internal farming, controlled cargo loading plan, tensional stress. It is tensional stress. It occurs when waves strike the ship unevenly, X equating C, causing twisting along the ship's light. Countermeasure. Tension box structures, especially in container ships. Proper lacing of containers, symmetrical cargo loading. Ranking stress. It is a distribution of the ships firmed into the parallelogram shapes due to rolling motion. Countermeasure. Strong traverser blockheads, diagonal bracing, reinforced frame structures. Plaiting stress. It occurs at the bow due to floating water pressure as the ship moves such waves causing in the out movement of hull plaiting. Countermeasure. Plaiting bends and straggles, reduce firm spacing at the bow, increased plate techniques. Pounding stress. Last. It has happened when the ship's bow agents waves proceeding heavily impact forces on the bottom structure. Countermeasure. Thicker bottom plaiting at the force end, constantly spaced farming proper ballast management. Mahitabo siya if ang bow nga part, muna akong explanation sa ikapito, nga part mo hit siya kusog nga mga forces, may create siya sa impact sa bottom structure nga mga dapat buhaton. Dapat baga ang plating sa bottom nga part, dapat na ay proper blast management pasabot, dapat pantay ang pagbutang sa mga cargo. Og muna na. Salamat.